In January, I was dispatched to a home in rural Vista, and the information that I'd gotten was that a 54-year-old man had passed away and his daughter had found him. Was very surprised to find out that my client was a 12-year-old girl. There were two deputies on the scene when I got there, and Andy was there with my client. The deputies were asking my client for some family contact information, and her cell phone had died. So Andy went back to his home and strung two extension cords together so that my client could plug her cell phone in and therefore get the numbers of her grandparents who lived in Riverside County. Andy was there the entire time, and it was wonderful because he had such a rapport with this young gal. It took her quite a while to warm up to me. It took us several hours for the ME investigator to get there, and during that time, Andy got her granola bars, got her water. The interesting thing about this call is that the home had been sold, and her father was to have been out of the house by that weekend. So during the course of the call, the new owners came by, and Andy assured him that he would be taking care of making sure the property was secured after the deputies left. My client had 3 cats living in the house, and he assured her that he would take care of the cats and also the tank full of fish. But what was so wonderful about Andy was he was just so nurturing and so caring and so protective of this young 12-year-old girl. As a tip volunteer, it often happens that we go on a call that we're really meant to go on. And Andy was not just a hero to my client, but he was a hero to me. My grandson had gone camping the weekend before. He had gotten a huge infection on his ankle. During the course of the tip call, my daughter-in-law sent me a picture of what his leg looked like, and I happened to show it to Andy, and he said right off the bat, it looks to me like it's a spider bite, probably a brown recluse spider bite. And armed with that information, the ER doctor looked it up, and sure enough, it was a brown recluse spider bite. That changed the whole course of medication for my grandson and most likely saved his leg. So Andy was not just a hero to my client, but he was a hero to me too. Andy, being a tip volunteer is challenging and rewarding, but when we come across someone like you, it makes our job so much easier, and I just want to thank you. Thank you for the help you gave my client. Thank you for the help you gave me, and my hat goes off to you and your wife.